Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable map and controls on Airbnb account. So first we're going to go to the Airbnb app. You guys can find it in the Play Store or App Store. Then next you're going to click on the profile section on the lower right corner. So once you're here, you're going to scroll downwards and click on account settings. Then you're going to click on accessibility. So as you can see, the map and controls is turned off. You're going to turn it off. So now you're going to see the directional buttons to pan around maps. So this is how you basically do it. We also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlists. Make sure to check them out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I will see you again. Goodbye.